What's good, guys? You know it's a boy Caribbean Voice cooking. You know, back at it again. I already shoot video down here already. Big Bridge, Westmoreland. I did check out one location and I never actually get to shoot a video yet. So basically I didn't want to shoot from today. And you know we are approaching rainy season, you know. So I tend to use up most of the location them what I can use up, because you know when the rainy season start, like the beauty of the water now go that pretty, because the water go dirty and stuff like that. And so I use up some great location now. And then when the rainy season, if we can't get to shoot there again, I just saw it set, you know. So Rasta go join me shortly. But the boss lady there we do it today, you know.
Yeah man, you know, Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog. One more bomb again.
Yeah, give me them. Give me a couple more. Yeah guys, so now I want to shoot the video facing the river, you know. So you guys can get a good view of the river and enjoy the atmosphere. Yeah, mosquito there enough. Well, mosquito repellent there.
Yeah.
Oh, can't leave this known talk, people. Tell you, mosquito them are work early, you know. I have to plan for them. I get the ball game kick off, you know. We look some stone and some wood, you know. Yeah. So in today's video, I'm going to do some soup today. We just feed some chicken foot with red peas along with chicken neck in the soup. Yeah man, so chicken neck soup with chicken foot, pumpkin and red peas, breadfruit and yam. Yeah man, now that we are doing today. Yes. Fire ketchup finally. Add some water in a pot, you know. Wash the peas then. You want the soup rich and pretty. So I add 1 pound of peas. Fire blaze up. Time to put on the pot. Finally catch. Finally. We have a cover, you know. And then after that we go and clean up the chicken foot. Chicken neck. Yeah. Add in the chicken foot and the chicken neck in the water. Yeah, then stir them. Because they kind of have a little bit of ice in them. We clean up the chicken foot. So as usual, cut off the toe, you know, and if you have no bunion under the foot, you just likewise just cut it out. Then just crack them in a two. So these are the bunion, and just go so slice it out. Yeah. Being a Jamaican, I don't know if no others person in the world eat that part, but being a Jamaican we don't really eat that part of the chicken foot. Clean it up, you know. And it's been a while, like from the last soup video. We don't get to do no more soup video, so it's alright. Soup video today. Add the peas in the water in a while from now. With 3 cloves of garlic. Add in 3 cloves of garlic. Wash the peas and put it. As soon as the water starts boil up, then I'm going to wash the chicken foot with the chicken neck and put it in. clean up the pumpkin, cut them up, and add it. Yeah man, so I'm going to add some vinegar over the chicken foot and chicken neck. I'm going to allow them to sit in the vinegar water for 10 or 15 minutes. You have to reduce the rawness. That's the pumpkin there. I'm going to add in the pumpkin. Anytime I add in the chicken foot, I make the pumpkin go and boil. So the pumpkin now, I will add a lot of color to the soup and help with the richness of the soup, same with the body. Then I throw the pumpkin seed them all over. So next time when I come back and shoot video, I can get pumpkin to cook.
Like,
yeah,
can
get pumpkin to cook. So, I have chicken foot and chicken neck added. Wash off the pumpkin, same way. Well, piece of the pumpkin all a drop. I want. Rasta come out of your hungry belly, you know, get the rice soup with a kind of drink chicken foot soup. Yeah, add in the pumpkin. Yeah, and some pimento seed. So, flavor can start adding to the soup. I will cover it.
You're going to add the corn. Yeah, the soup, you know. Yeah, man, see that we have the corn. Soup look good, you know. I'm not ready yet. Good chicken foot, chicken neck. Yeah, guys, the pot look good already. And the season up your time, nothing. Yeah, man, get in the car, you know. The soup.
Yeah, man. I use half hour on breadfruit. And this is the older way. Now we eat the breadfruit in the soup or boil breadfruit, like when the breadfruit 10 feet fit enough we can roast. Yeah, many persons use young breadfruit in the soup. I use Irish 2 carrots and a chocho, piece of yellow yam and some okra, you know? Yeah, so we have a peel, you know? Dice them. Just peel it and just put in a pot, it's going to look too outrageous, you know? Tend to dice them up. So cube. Bubble up, get it? The soup, adding 2 carrots. One boil. Add flavor to the soup, you know? The soup one. I just 3 soup and 1 big pot of soup today. Alright, about 3 bowls of this soup today. There's a soup there. Wash out now the and add them in. Yeah, so after adding the carrot, about 10 minutes after. That's when I'm adding in the yam. You know, yellow yam, hard nature yam, so it don't really matter if you go in there early or late, you still not go overcook. Can't wait for this soup I done today, you know, man. Today. You see the soup rich already and full of color. And even the pumpkin, that's how pumpkin tend to give soup one nice color, you know.
So your peeps, you get the flour knead up, you know, you put in the soup, you know, see the Caribbean vibes cooking bash, you know, flour knead up, you know. So you get the flour knead up, we're going to the soup, yeah man, active. Yeah man, so you get the flour knead up. And a little more water in it for the dumpling, you know, not the flour. You know, so you cook a dumpling, you know, so you can't get put flour, get back flour. Dumpling. I like that, man. And soup can't last without dumpling, brother. So if you make soup and a dumpling in there, I don't want another soup there.
Especially spinach.
And that me I tell you, yeah.
I love spinach.
I have eat dumpling in my soup, brother. Soup can't last without dumpling. Yeah man, up. Caribbean vibe cooking vlog. Out again, you know?
Yes, so I'm currently washing the breadfruit and adding into the soup. Man, soup full of flavor already. You can actually smell it. And like otherwise, washing the chocho and the Irish potato. So many food in our pot, to be honest. I've got to add even a little bit more water to it. Because I like soup. I like no heap of food without no soup in the pot. Yeah. And we still not done add food in our pot yet, to be honest. I've all okra to go in our pot. Yeah. Chicken neck are coming, eh?
Soup. I mean, I tell you how the soup look pretty. So yes guys, I get in a little dumpling them in our pot, you know. Yeah? Yeah man, for soup can't nice without dumpling. If I get soup, I'm not get the dumpling, I don't want a soup, brother. The soup cannot nice without them little dumpling here. Yeah man. Caribbean vibes cooking vlog out again. Chicken neck, chicken foot soup with red peas, you know? Soup look pretty. Soup sell off, me not lie. If the soup guy road, you take your market. Now I make them no big old cartwheel, so I'm looking nice flour, I make put nice soup, you know. And you're gonna have a little bit to make some spinach too. And be a round one alone me I put it. Guys, so I'm worry piece say. Now put spinach in there, you man?
Boss lady take over the pot.
Spinach have to go in nice soup too.
Yes, peeps.
Yeah,
It's a sad day for me today. God knows my family. Lose one of my brother.
Bless up, you know.
I did video at church this week, this Sunday. But end up my brother go off beach on Good Friday and go out for one ball and end up coming back and sink off and then they never find him till this morning. So it's a sad day for me and my family. Class of 99.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
But they are peeps. They don't know what it said. Boss, I'm do some chicken foot soup with red peas. Boss lady and the boss, they all line up them thing. Boom.
Yeah, man. Manners and respect, man. I like how I go on, you know. You know mean, Nadisha, do your thing.
Yeah, man.
I like the spinners, them. The spinners, they look good.
Yeah.
Up and running, you know mean. Round flour.
Yeah.
God, the pot of soup, the bad. When you put in the okra after, right?
Yeah man.
Oh my God, yo.
Soup go nice.
Yes, man. First time Caribbean cooking, yo. It's really good. First time, you know. Last your brother star, but God knows it's still there when the Caribbean cooking. I try to match up it, you know. Bless up.
So yes guys, you get the okra in the pot, you know.
Yeah, man, that's a bad party, man. The okra
Yeah.
and soup.
Yes, man. Spinach,
Yeah,
you
man.
know, okra,
Yeah,
you know.
man.
Okay, no, get
gummy.
Yeah, man, them
gummy
things
soup, you know?
good for your back, you know. Slime.
Especially
Boss
man,
lady are running fire, you know.
especially
Yeah.
man, them straighten man them back.
Yeah, man.
Boss lady are straightening husband back today, you know. Husband
Those
down.
are, but
husband
you don't drink
down,
it a soup,
you know,
you don't drink it a
brother.
soup, if your back that was straightened today.
Man, drink
Rasta
some,
doesn't
man.
watch you not drink soup, because you know if enough Rasta soup.
Rasta can't drink some vegetable soup today.
I don't vegetable.
I'm a vegetable.
No matter chicken for soup, you can't drink something.
That one, I'm going to drink some
Okay,
today.
nice, you know. You can't tell me nothing, man. You know someone from the vlog alone, you go on some.
Yeah, man, take out the meat out of it and drink it okra.
Yeah, man, just like we do
So
Jimmy.
take out the meat out of it and drink your soup.
Yeah,
alone.
yeah, man.
yeah.
No.
Just like we do Jimmy.
Yeah.
Get Jimmy, get
And I
Jimmy.
tell you soup
Get-
pretty. Watch your Coca-Cola.
get Jimmy.
Red, green and gold.
Yes, man.
Rasta
Last man,
soup.
Yeah,
I
man,
like it.
respect, man.
That
Respect.
man.
continue to carry a far.
We say
Yeah,
Caribbean vibes still well.
We
Yeah,
don't
man.
stop,
man.
bro.
Cook
We
it,
don't
man.
stop. We don't
To the
stop.
world, yo. To the world.
All
Man,
I
look
get
at
I
you.
bigger
hope
and
to meet
better,
some
man.
people all from all sparks of life, yo.
Yeah, man.
I hope them come and greet your brethren and they are where though.
Great.
Take the far,
Yeah,
man.
man. Greatness,
Far
man.
where I come from.
Greatness,
Yo.
man. Greatness, bro. Yeah, man.
Pot of soup, bad.
Yeah, man. Hold it more in store, man.
Yes, man. Gotta push it up, man.
Yeah.
So have to start from somewhere, yo.
Yeah, man.
If you don't start from somewhere, you can't reach somewhere.
Right, this, bro.
Yeah, man. Art of love, yo. Art of love. I want a shot of love.
Yeah, man. So right now, the part we call it nice part, you know. Season up a pot, you know. And so we are adding additional flavor, more herbs and spice. Get things started, we add a little all-purpose season. It's a thyme, 3 stalk of scallion, 1 green scotch bonnet pepper. So I just slit right at the side of the scotch bonnet pepper. And that will allow to add flavor along with a little bit of spice in the soup. Yeah. And I use 2 chicken noodles. And this helps to add flavor also. What me do now? Turn it, you know? That means that them not go down in the bottom, go hitch up and then stick in the pot.
Keep stirring.
Yeah,
Okay.
that is it, you know. And we also add a little piece of butter same way to help it enhance the flavor of the soup, you know. Yes, man.
Get it more moisture.
Yeah. Yeah, man. And we also can add a little bit of salt in it, so we season for taste, you know. Yeah, and we taste the season, you know. Yeah, man.
Yeah, look for it.
Yeah,
Rasta
man.
doesn't know what talking of.
Yeah.
Watch out.
Yes, so I drink some of my soup right now. Let me tell
Add
you.
in the butter, you
Yeah,
know.
look for Rasta and some of the soup Rasta want to take. Rasta not eat nothing from morning, you know. Rasta they are niggle from morning start.
Rasta have to go drink this a soup today.
Yes, because in last in brother,
Nah, do nothing, man.
from another mother.
Yeah, nah, do nothing, Rasta. Drink some of the soup, man.
Yes, Rasta want some man.
I want just a little bit of salt. Like,
There's
not
tips of
much.
salt. Huh? Yeah, because the chicken,
Yeah,
something already salt. The soup already salt already.
yeah. So we don't want to overpower it.
Yeah, true.
So we have to add
Jaja,
about to another
soup
2
look pretty.
minutes.
Yeah, man.
Soup for days.
And you have a drink some, don't you? I look at it over there still in 5 hours. In 5 hours, you can finish a cup of soup.
So that's the general.
Yeah, man. As they say, sheep land.
Fully. It's a ship land. Fully land.
Rasta, the depot is a landing at today.
Fully land. You have to depend on it. I want to drink some soup today.
Just go and watch our God.
Ballad soup this month.
Yeah. No rest of soup.
Yeah, my brother, this good. I fear this, you know.
What? Never know, man.
How comes you know?
Come in and say visitor show.
So cheap visitor whenever you come on the channel.
Share the visitor first.
Visitor
Oh my
first.
God.
So we sure give visitor.
And if visitor, tell her,
10 visitor come.
tell her it is.
Yeah. But 10 visitor come on the channel.
Yeah.
We share the food.
Okay.
And if we put that and we know we get some.
Okay.
Just to cheat our visitor.
Okay. Good. So the visitor tell her, oh, it is.
Caribbean vibes cooking, that's how we do.
Yeah. Caribbean vibes. That's a yourself. That's a yourself.
Yeah, bro.
It's the last thing I tell the papa say, oh, wow, come on the vlog one day with them.
I want
I
to
see that.
finally happy.
Finally happy, yo. Can never care coming here, yo. Because the pepper leave. You see?
Come on, set away.
Set that way to happen, man. Yeah. It's a part of it, you know?
So, pretty well to the weather.
So
Have
pretty,
some,
brother.
man.
I want to have some, brother.
So this year for your boss himself, huh?
Oh my God, a big dish.
Yeah.
God. Oh, beer the boss, alright.
What's that? Time and I back.
Time and I back.
Nah, top load today there, see that?
Watch the man.
Nah, top load.
I see you enough, my friend.
That was not top load, but I eat that.
Sam, I'm not getting chicken foot, you know.
You don't get the chicken foot, how come?
My God.
I put more chicken egg than thing, brother.
Alright, my sister.
Alright. You have a gift, man. I'm a dog with my eating.
Yeah.
Alright.
So, dog, you know, get a cup, dog. So, come and soup.
Yeah.
You know?
My
Yes,
soup
man.
and all.
You have my eating now.
Alright, now.
Share.
We can't wait, you know, guys.
First
So,
time on the vlog.
yeah, man.
Yeah. I eat, I can't eat, and I'm cook no food, you know. Taste the pot, you know. Yeah. Which is right. Bless up yourself, bro. See me again, man. I tell you,
Guys, look for a Rasta. Rasta that eat chicken foot.
Rasta mouth and run. Rasta, okay.
We just have to hold it, but I say things
Rasta,
like
okay,
that.
okay. Okay, watch Rasta.
I say things like, but you don't know. You never plan for it, but you know it. Make a one pass through because Caribbean vibes.
Yes, man.
Sam, I make up my way super. We can't hold the plate. Yo, brother, it's super. Burn up me, I tell you lie.
That's soup.
Nice.
Hot and pies.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Yes, man. Just come up
Boy,
and
I love
beer.
soup. I tell you, I love soup.
Yes, man.
Love soup. Okay.
Super
Yeah,
deal,
man.
man. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Chicken foot, guys, you know? Soft, real nice.
Macan, watch Macan.
Yeah, man.
Macan, bro. Oh my God, yo. I'm a deal with this Macan today. I'm going to tell you. Oh my God.
No, we're better than Jamaica.
Oh my God, this is Jamaica, yo. Live in Jamaica. Nicest ever. Caribbean, cooking, best ever, yo. Marcy, we'll continue, strength to strength, you're so bad.
Yeah, man, we know on top.
Oh my God, you know more come eat for the brother. You still not do it, you know. You see the sauce of fish,
Yeah.
and that more come eat. We still not do it there and bake it, bake it. Hola.
Steam roast.
Steam roasted, don't it?
Yeah,
Hot
man.
taro,
I said, man, want to get some sauce of fish.
Okay.
The red peas,
Yeah.
cooked down in a coconut milk.
Oh my God.
Yeah,
You
man.
know, that are next.
That
Anytime
are
we
next.
drop one next sauce up fish
Yeah.
video.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Sauce up with red peas, cooked down in a coconut milk. Boom.
Yes,
No, so get down for the big bass. No, man. Oh.
Oh my God. Dalman.
Yo.
No, sir. I see your body.
So we are the youth, man.
My God. Wow.
So super rich.
If I 10 away come, brother, I see him.
But Rasta, I feel it fear, you know.
Yeah,
Yeah, man.
good man.
It's not so.
Feel it fear how we sit down and eat and you can't consume none of it soup, no?
So we put it in a fire, piece of bread food.
Yeah.
That's the good man.
Yeah.
There's a Rasta. Watch out. Watch out, Rasta. Oh my God. Watch out. It's a yam, brother. Watch out. Yellow yam, it's in the brother.
Yeah, man. See, shy one. I shy one. That's the man who say, we don't see her eat.
I cut out that, you know.
You can get fish here eating there. Yeah, man, you get fish here eating, man. Well, all the people them always say they not see cameraman eat. See cameraman eat there. Yeah, man, I him that man.
Then I'm going to see camera.
No, you're not going to make it still. The people don't say they not see it, so make
Yeah,
it
man.
still.
But the camera will have to open that video tomorrow. All the while I'm behind the camera, you have to show up sometime.
Yeah, man. You go back in the pot to get some more soup, you know? Soup are good on, man. Soup are good on. Next dumpling, eh? And you stay over there, boss lady.
I'll visit to you. No, I'll visit them. Yo. No, they know. You know, scoop, you know.
Soup in the pot, man. Come help yourself.
Yes, man, it's scoop that good, man. No, they know.
Yeah,
Because I got the soup left, it soup, food, yeah.
help yourself, man.
Alright, boss, man. I just say, but I need food, you know. If I cook, I know I got food myself. Woo! See that? Caribbean cooking, yo. You need a food man, you know, a soup man here. So I know if you just drink the soup. Yeah. And the worst being done, it's not put in it. Okra.
Yeah.
Worst thing you could ever do. Once you put okra in it, man, you can make that. 6 times. You go there now, man, 2 spoons with me.
Yeah guys, when I get the next look at eat that soup, if I wear soup nice now, I can't eat one time, I have to eat twice.
So when I pot, I'll live visitor eat more.
No, I'm not bust yet, you know. I'm not bust yet.
If you wear soup nice, I have to eat twice, people. God no. Yeah, eat one time. Them a soup, yeah?
Full of flavor.
Alright, I'm the person there, man.
Full of flavor.
Yeah, man. Good with it.
Dog.
Miss something, miss something.
You miss sitting rasta. Yeah man, I just here for that. I eat some ice, drink some ice soup. I just here for that.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
You're there about now and get none.
Yeah, so nice. Yeah, so nice. See the people. I drink carry them, I go back again. No, I am. They say I visited Chindis. Right, so. Yeah, man, chicken foot. And chicken neck, corn. And you don't know the yellow yam. Oh my gosh. And a little carrot, you know? Yes, man. Up and running.
Oh.
Blessing, man.
Fully active.
Fully active with okra, you know?
Yes guys. Another great day again from 2 and in. We're gonna start drop as you can see with a drop into the water. And so we are going to finish up and keep it moving. But like otherwise, like, comment, share, subscribe. Peace out guys. Keep safe people. Boom.